Climatic zones or temperature zones. There are three major temperature zones in the world, namely torrid zone, temperate zone and frigid zone. So here this is written as tropical zone. Tropical zone and torrid zone are the same. Frigid zone or polar zone are the same. Tropical zone lies between 23.5 degree north latitude, that is Tropic of Cancer, and 23.5 degree south latitude, that is Tropic of Capricorn. This region is the hottest region. The sun's rays are vertically overhead during a part of the year. That is, sun is directly overhead during a part of the year. It comes once a year on Tropic of Cancer and once a year on Tropic of Capricorn. The zone receives maximum insolation as the angle of incidence of sun's rays, which varies between 43 degree and 90 degree at the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. What is meant by angle of incidence of sun's rays? That is, the angle between the sun and the place on the earth. That is referred as the angle of incidence of sun. It will be like this. Imagine the sun and the place is here. So this is, if you draw a line from sun to this place and here you draw a line, you find this is the angle. That is what meant by incidence of the sun's rays. This zone is the hottest because this zone receives direct or vertical rays of the sun. The vertical rays heat the surface of the earth to a greater extent than inclined rays. Inclined rays or slanting rays. So here you find, imagine here your sun and you find the direct rays. This is slanting rays. So due to the shorter distance the sun's rays travel and the sun's rays concentrate on smaller area, this zone is very hot. The heating effect of the sun's rays is very high. Now, within this, you find from 10 degree north to 10 degree south latitudes, you have this part of the tropical zone is known as equatorial zone. Here you find the angle of incidence of sun's rays is between 66.5 degree and 90 degree, that is the maximum. So the sun's rays are very hot here because of the incidence of sun's rays is more, the highest here. So this equatorial zone remains hot throughout the year. So the climate is hot and wet throughout the year in equatorial zone. So you have tropical zone between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn, and equatorial zone lies within this from 10 degree north to 10 degree south. So the purpose of learning temperature zones or climatic zones is to understand the various climatic types and the reasons for making the differences and vegetation of these places. Now let's move on to temperate zone.